We are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and I'm here with my awesome taste testers. We have Chef Laurent Zarate, thank you again.
Christy, always a
and
pleasure.
my co-host Tomas.
Indeed.
Hello.
It's a pleasure to be here with
I love
you.
it when they put wine in front of me.
No, it's the best episode.
It's so
right?
great. Yes, and so we have a Chateau Saint Michel. It's their Horse Heaven Hills Sauv Blanc, which is amazing. Basically, we've followed this wine
You did.
all over the world. We went to the vineyard and saw the grapes.
On a
and
very
we got
hot
to
day.
See, on a very hot day. We got to see in Vietnam how much they are loving Washington wine. Specifically, they had gift boxes, and they'd put Washington pears together with our Washington wine, and that's how people would celebrate Tet. The New Year celebration there. It was really awesome to see.
You must feel proud to see that and coming from that beautiful state and saying
to see these products go and take on a life of their own that you don't even realize. You see them in a store. Okay, great. I'll have some wine with my fish. But then you see how other countries take these products and transform them and make gift boxes,
And
like you
celebrate
said.
them.
Yeah, celebrate them. It's just fun to see.
Yeah, I mean, we love Washington wine, and we know that it's delicious, but to see it being celebrated in other parts of the world was really cool, and I love the wine, and we're going to pair some food with it.
Yes, we decided to pair it with cheese, obviously. A lot of people will tell you, well, I'm going to have a red glass of wine with my cheese. But some cheese are not meant to have red wine in pairing.
Yeah.
And especially this is a kind of a goat cheese. It is Boursin. Boursin is a brand.
Yes.
But we're not buying the brand. We are making our own mix from goat cheese. I feel that goat cheese is very acidic. Right, it has that tartness, and it goes great with a white wine, especially with a Sauvignon Blanc.
So this is the one.
Love it.
This is the one, exactly.
All right,
We'll try that.
Yeah, we're going to see how it's made.
Yes. It smells good.
It does. It smells really fresh and herby. And
I feel so sophisticated with this.
You are so sophisticated.
With the wine. It's 8 a.m. We're having wine, right?
Exactly.
Don't tell them that it's 8 a.m.
The tang of the goat cheese is there, but it's not overpowering.
No, and you'll see.
I love that freshness.
The
of
wine
the
will
herbs in there.
balance that.
Let's follow it up.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
So if you're not sure how it tastes,
That's great.
you go again
Yeah.
and again.
And again until you need a refill.
Exactly. That's the idea.
It goes so great. It pairs so well.
Yeah, that's nice.
Because the goat cheese is, like you said, it has tang, but it's also rich too.
It is very rich.
And so this kind of
Lightens it up a
pairs
little
it
bit.
down, and then I love this. This is so good.
It's so good. I feel like after we're done here, we'll need to step to the library for cigars and port.
You're feeling fancy, aren't you?
I'm with
Tomas
you.
is feeling very fancy. If you would like to try this recipe, just go to wagrown.com. You can only find these recipes on our website. So thank you so much for this,
You're very
Laurent.
welcome.
Yes.
Santé.
And santé. Cheers to you. To Wagrown. To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's homemade Boursin cheese, visit us at wagrown.com.